Italian tuner Stradale Modena transforms the Wrangler and Gladiator with a wild redesign and available Hellcat power. Stradale Modena's Wrangler GTX and Gladiator Xtrema echo Brabus style. Each gains a wide body kit, revamped interior, and optional Hellcat V8. Pricing begins steep and skyrockets when every upgrade is selected. When you hear the name Stradale Modena, your mind probably jumps to the loud Ferrari 360 Challenge Stradale from the early 2000s. Fair enough, but this Stradale Modena has no ties to Maranello's Prancing horse. Instead, it's an Italian outfit that builds tuning kits for the Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator, channeling a distinctly Brabus-like attitude into America's most famous off-roader. The company's lineup includes the GTX for the Wrangler and the Xtrema for the Gladiator. Both come dressed in a custom body kit and upgraded interiors. At the front, the bumper sits deeper and features larger air intakes, while wide fenders, roof-mounted LEDs, a rear spoiler, and a sportier bumper with a diffuser and quad exhausts complete the look. It's a familiar visual formula, but one that works well on the boxy Jeeps. The shape of the intakes and vents clearly echoes Brabus' signature styling cues. That resemblance becomes even more pronounced with the custom grille, complete with a circular emblem and an optional hood scoop. Buyers can choose to have these elements finished in piano black or carbon fiber. Both the Wrangler and Gladiator sit on aftermarket alloy wheels wrapped in beefy 35-inch tires, though buyers can step up to a 37-inch set if they prefer a taller stance. Stradale Modena also fits a reinforced suspension and a custom exhaust to match the aggressive visuals. The powertrain lineup starts with two familiar Jeep options: a 2.0-liter turbo four-cylinder for the Wrangler and a naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6 available for both models. However, those craving more punch can opt for a V8 upgrade, choosing between the 6.4-liter Hemi 392 or the 6.2-liter Hemi Hellcat. The latter brings a serious jump in performance, producing 707 horsepower, which should make these Jeeps far livelier, though that's a double-edged sword. The cabin has been reworked with leather and Alcantara upholstery, accented by contrasting stitching and carbon fiber trim. Buyers can also specify an updated infotainment system, a premium audio setup, and a range of driver assistance features. As always, exclusivity comes at a price. The Wrangler-based GTX starts at €97,000, $112,700, while the Gladiator-based Xtrema begins at €100,000, $116,200. Those figures climb quickly once the V8 options enter the picture. The Hemi 392 adds €34,500, $40,100, and the supercharged Hellcat a substantial €78,800, $91,600. If you select all of the available options, you end up with an SUV that costs €292,680, $340,100, and a truck that retails for €294,480, $342,200, respectively. That places these Jeeps in serious luxury territory, though still below what a Brabus-tuned G-Class commands. For anyone curious, Stradale Modena is based in Emilia-Romagna, Italy, though the company also works with partners in the Middle East and West Africa who can handle orders locally. Below are videos featuring the Stradale Modena GTX, which made its appearance at last year's SEMA show.